So after 2-3 days, he messaged me through that money transaction app, and I was literally shocked. I thought, oh my gosh, what is this? Hello everyone, first of all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. In this video we are going to be talking about stories. I'm going to be telling you one of the stories of mine, which is like a hell story, I think, because I don't actually like what happened to me. Okay, and guys, if you're someone who is trying to learn English, who is trying to learn any kind of language, what exactly you need to do is you should narrate your stories. You should explain about yourself in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. That is the best method for you to speak, for you to practice, because in that way you are explaining something. Your brain is just focused on the situations, on the scenarios, on the things, on feelings, whatever happened to you at that moment. So your brain is not actually evaluating that how many mistakes I've been making, investigating like I'm speaking right or wrong. No, your brain is not focused there. Your brain is focused on remembering things. So one day I went to my college, and I had a work. I needed some cash money. So I went to a shop which is nearby my college. So I went there, and there was a person who was sitting there. I did not know that person, and I asked him out for cash. I said like, I want to withdraw this amount of money through my other card. Can you do that? And he said like, no, the owner of this shop is not here. So it was a computer shop. So the owner of this shop is not here. So he said to me like not to withdraw money through Aadhaar card. Then I said like, okay, is there any other option which I can do? Then he said like, yeah, you can pay me through money transaction app. You can pay me online, so I will give you the cash, but you will pay me 20 rupees extra for that. Then I thought like, oh, okay, 20 rupees extra for that. So I said, okay, I sent to him 20 rupees extra just to get that cash. So I did that. Finally, I was done with my work. Then I was about to go to my house. So I went to that shop. I did not have my water bottle. So I went to that shop, and I asked him out for a water bottle. He had. I saw that before, that's why I went there. So asked him out for the bottle. Then he gave me, and I drank the water, and finally I went from there. So after 2-3 days, He messaged me through that money transaction app, and I was literally shocked. I thought, oh my gosh, what is this? Then I thought, okay, I know this person literally. So I replied him, yeah. He said like, hi, hello. And I said like, yeah. Then he said like, do you know me? And I replied, yes, I know you. And he asked me out for my WhatsApp number. Okay. Then I thought, why is that person asking me for my WhatsApp number? And I thought like, maybe he wants to just become my friend. Then I sent to him my WhatsApp number. Finally he got it, and he started messaging through that. I mean, on WhatsApp. Finally, hi, hello, what's up? Thank you. First of all, thank you for giving me your number. And I said, you're welcome. Okay, so I was hesitating to ask him like, so you want to become my friend? I just sent this message to him. So he said, yes, with excitement. Yes, I want. So every singly he started messaging. It was so crazy to me, because I don't have that habit like to reply to somebody all the time, or someone is messaging me in the morning or in evening. I was just shocked that every morning like, good morning, every single day, good morning, what is this, how are you, have you done your breakfast? It is good to ask someone like, what are you doing, good morning, but it's too much. When you do too much, it's not good at all. Yes, if somebody is just always on your head, if someone is always messaging you all the time, then you think like, why this person is doing this? What is the reason behind it? I was just trying to figure it out that why that person is literally doing it. Okay, so I thought, what's the reason behind it? So one day suddenly he said to me, hey, can we go out? Can we go out? Can you come? Just for fun, just for enjoyment, something like that. And I also had a work to go out, and I had to link my mobile number to my Aadhaar card. Okay, so I thought, yes, I have a work to go. I can come. So he he got crazy, like, wow, you're coming. Oh my gosh. And I said, like, yes, but it's too much hot. Okay, it's too much. I mean, like, it's scorching heat. I don't want to come. Maybe someday or the other. And then he said, like, no, today come, it's not too much heat. Okay, he was just trying to convince me that you should come. Then I thought, if someone is requesting you a lot, so in that way he was just requesting me too much. I did not know that why this person is requesting me too much, because the work is mine. Finally he came and picked me up, and I went with that person. So I went, and finally my work was done. My mobile number got linked. When he was just trying to convince me, he invited me to go with him to a restaurant. And I thought, like, it's just a friend, or we can go just for fun, just to enjoy the lunch. Okay, and it was just only 4 days of being friend with that person. Okay, so I went with him to a restaurant, and we were just sitting there. He ordered food, cold drink, whatever. I actually don't like cold drink, but he ordered. Okay, I thought, like, one day it's okay. So I drank or eat the food, and he was showing photos on his phone, like, this is my house, this is my mom, this is my photo, this is my friend, something like that. I am someone who takes interest in people's life. So I was just taking interest, and I was just watching all of them. I was just, I was feeling so happy about that. Wow, this and that. It was good. Okay. Then, but I could just feel it that the intention of that person is not good at all. I could feel that. Okay, even I was just showing that I'm happy with you, like, just a friend or like that. We're just enjoying this, but I was not feeling comfortable with that person, because the way that he used to look at me was not good at all, staring at me sometimes, and it was not good at all for me. Then suddenly he was just trying to convince me, like, and then, you know what he did, actually, it was so crazy to me. He wrote on his phone, by opening WhatsApp, he wrote like GF and BF. Okay, and he is saying, you can imagine, and he is saying, like, wait a minute, I'm writing something. And I was thinking, like, what is he writing? Then he wrote this GF and BF. So he just showing me, like, look at it. And I was just eating food, and I just look at that, and he said, like, can we become this? And you cannot imagine, guys, how funny it was to me. It was so funny to me. I could not laugh at that time, at that moment, because, I don't know what he would think. But it was so funny to me, like that. You should even ask a person, like, you should understand a person, then you should just reach a person out. Then he showed me like this, can we become this? Then I was I said, I just turned my face towards another side and I said, like, do you know, it's not for me. I don't do this. It's not for me. I don't do like this. Then he's saying, like, you know, you can observe around you, around your, about your friends. Look at your friends, what they're doing. They are doing this, they have this, they have something like that. And I said, like, he was just trying to convince me. Yes, I could know that. Like, he is just trying to convince me that I could agree with him, but I am very stubborn. Yes. I understand before a person says something to me, I understand what they want to say. So I gotta know, like, whoa, this person wants to say like this. Then I said, no, it's not for me. I don't do this. I don't know what my friends are doing. They want to do, they do that. That is good for them. People who do this, who are serious about it, who are wanting to get married together, okay? But I don't have any something like that. I'm not interested in you. Indirectly I just said it, that I was just trying to make excuses, like, I'm not interested. I just like you as my brother. I just accept you as my brother. I am your friend. That is just it. I just said it. Okay. Even when his actions was not good towards me. Okay. I was just eating food in front of him. He was just next to me. A little bit hair of mine was on my face. And do you know, guys, what he did? He just passed his fingers through my face. Okay. And passed my hair and pushed them back and saying to me, hey, it looks nice. You know, if you're not interested in somebody and they do something, like, not does, they do something like this, you don't actually agree, you don't actually feel good about that, you feel uncomfortable, you feel unsafe, like, I just said no to you and why are you doing this? Again, then I said, I did not have any other option. I said, thank you. Thank you. Then he said, like, thank you. I said, yes, thank you. If somebody is appreciating you, if somebody is saying something nice things to you, so you should say thank you, okay? You should thank them. That's why I'm saying thank you. I was just talking respectfully. Okay, I got to know that his intention was not good at all, and the way he was just treating me was not good towards me, because I was feeling as if he is just a friend of mine or my brother, but his action was not good at all. He was just trying to show this, that I am interested in you, interested in you, something like that. Okay, so somehow or the other, I was feeling uncomfortable, or I was not feeling good at all. I felt like I want to go to my house as soon as possible. I would love to go to my house. Okay, I didn't say it, but I was feeling it. So finally, we were done with lunch, and he dropped me to my house. So again, he didn't agree whatever I said to him. He started messaging again saying, hey, good morning, what's up, how are you okay, this and that, and saying, like, you know, I cannot live without talking to you. I know it's a fake thing. I know you are not true. It's fake. It is fake. If a real person comes to you, he is very afraid of you because he does not want to offend you. But he is someone who is just trying to disturb me. So he was trying to disturb me morning, afternoon, evening time, night. Okay, calling, just trying to just disturb me and make me feel angry. Okay, I think this was his intention. And he's saying, like, I cannot live without talking to you. I know that. It's been only 4 or 5 days and you cannot live without talking to me. What the hell are you talking about? Such a big liar. You are fooling me, babe. You are fooling me. You don't know me. So this person was just trying to disturb me, was just trying to short-term relationship that person was wanting. Or I am someone who never had it. And who don't want even right now, okay, who don't want even, because I cannot handle it. I am very full with myself. I am in self obsession. I just do everything for me. I don't need validation from others. It was so kind of devastating for me. Yes, it's so devastating for me if someone is just always on your head, asking you, have you done your lunch, have you done your dinner, what are you doing, this and that. One thing I forgot to tell you guys, when I was sitting with that person, we were eating together. He was just next to me and he was talking to another girl on a call, and he was asking her out like, hey, have you done your lunch, I'll take care or something like that. I asked him out like, hey, who's that person? I thought, and he said, hey, she's a girl. She had a work. She wanted to apply for a job, so she is wanting me to apply her form for that. So I said like, oh, if someone is a customer is coming to you and you talk like that, have you done your lunch or this and that? I didn't say that, but I felt that. I gotta know like, oh my god, this person is completely crazy. Even he does not deserve a friendship with me even, because his behavior is not good at all towards girls. And even then he is asking like, hey, when are you coming second time? Let's go. Let's go another time. I have bought a new phone, so I'm just inviting you for a party. You can come with me. And I was like, it was enough. It was enough for me to disturb me, to just play with my mental health. You're just disturbing me a lot. Okay, I didn't tell that person, but I said, never, I'm never coming with you. Never, never, never. Okay, never. I just literally said it. I really said it. But I respect people so much. I want a conversation respectfully. I don't want like disrespect anybody. So finally, I got fed up with him, and I started ignoring him. Yes, I stopped responding, stopped replying, anything. I stopped that. That's why I just cut him off. I'm okay with that. One lesson that I have learned is that everyone is not meant to become your friend. He was respecting me, but not in a right way. He was, touching someone's hair. It was just a flirting. Yeah, such a bad flirting. I don't like that. So this is how you can explain your stories. You can talk to yourself like this, and you can speak without thinking about English, but without thinking about the language you're trying to learn.